2, 3, and... Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back to 1988 with a great big hit for the big O, Roy Orbison. This is called You Got It. Do hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to do me a massive favour by clicking like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, let's get straight stuck into this one. So first off, we've got loads of different strum patterns in this, so we're going to take it as we go. First off, we'll start at the beginning. We've got the intro, and it is A, G to D. It's them 3 chords, okay? A, G, D. Now, strum pattern is going to be like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Right? Okay. Sounds like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Now you know how this is going to fit, but I'll show you anyway. Goes to the A, so it starts with an A, and we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, that's the down, down, up, down, up, down bit. Now the quicker bit is down, up, down for the G, and down, up, down for the D. And then repeat the process back to the A. Down, down, up, down, then to the G, down, up, down, and then to the D, down, up, down, and then we repeat. So all together it's going to be... Up to the camera so you can see E major. This is where it uplifts into the pre-chorus. Money can buy. And then to the G. And the E and the G are just down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So before we move into the pre-chorus, let's get that bit signed off. So let's start from the beginning on that. So verse goes A, 2, 3, and down, down, up, down, 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 says A, G, D, A, 2, 3, 4, G, D, A, down, up, down, G, A, 2, 3, 4, down, down, G, to the D, to the... Now we're going to change to the E, E, G. Yeah. Now we're going to move into the pre-chorus, which is our first bar chord coming up. So I'm going to whack all these chords on the screen so you can follow along. We've got a new strum pattern for this, but we'll do that in a moment. I'll show you what the chords are. Pre-chorus goes 1 look, A from you, F sharp minor, up to the camera. And then we're going to go C sharp minor, which is there, 4th fret. There we go, C sharp minor, I drift back to E. So we got 1 look A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, then E. And then we do it again, I pray that you, F sharp minor, C sharp minor are here to stay. That's the pre-chorus chords. Right, how are we going to strum that? Let me show you. So we've got down, down, up, down, up, down, down, straight doo-wop kind of strum pattern. So let's strum that out as it's supposed to be. So 1 look A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and E, then A, F sharp minor, and then C sharp minor, then to E. And that brings us safely to the chorus, which is the most complex strum pattern of them all, but we'll go through it like we have done before. Don't panic, I've got you. Right, chorus. Here's your chords first, before we mess about with strum patterns. A. So we've got A to the C sharp, C sharp, yeah. So we've got A, anything you want, F sharp minor to the D. We'll do that again. A to the C sharp, to the F sharp minor, to the D. One more time. A to the C sharp, to the F sharp minor, to the D. Then A to the E. So let's take you through the chords one more time. I'm going to whack them all on the screen, so you'll be able to pause and follow them as you see fit. So A. So it's going to go A to the C sharp major, to the F sharp minor, to the D, and that repeats 3 times. So I've got A to the C sharp minor, to the F sharp minor, to the D. Right, let's go over the strum pattern. So it's going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down. Told ya. Right, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down. Feel free to write that down on a piece of paper. I'm going to whack it on the screen so you can pause it. But down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down. So we got down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down. That's how that changes. So with the A, we've got down, down, up. With the C sharp, we've got down, up, down. With the A, we've got up, up, down, up. So no, hang on. On the F sharp minor, we got up, up, down, up, and then we're just going to go down, down on the D. And again, A, down, down, up. Then we've got C sharp, down, up, down. Then we're going to move to the F sharp minor, up, up, down, up. And then on the D, we're going to go down, down. And then when we move to, when we've got all of that out of the way, it goes to an A for baby. That's just a straight down, down, up, up, down, up. There's just a straight doo-wop for the baby. So let's take you through the chorus again. So it's going to go like this. 2, 3, A. C sharp, F sharp, minor, D, E, A. C sharp, C sharp, A. C sharp, F sharp, minor, D, D, A. C sharp, F sharp, minor, D, D, A. C sharp, F sharp, minor, D, D, A. E. Okay, so let's go into come out of that, and we've got this riff that happens. You could, if you wanted to keep it simple, just strum off 8 bars of E, because that's what happens now. Down, 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 down. Or you could be brave and go into it. So. And all it is 2 down strokes, 2 down picks on the following notes, right? So we're in E now, right? So what I was doing was keeping my first finger where the finger goes when you're playing an E, which is the first fret of the G string. Okay, so E, first, and your first finger is on the first fret of the G string. Now, sending my other fingers off to play. So, second finger, second fret of the D string, pick twice. Then pick it twice open, D string open. And then we're going to go with our little finger twice on the 4th fret of the A string. And then 2nd fret of the A string twice. And then twice open on the A string. So far we've got, and then we've got twice open of the A string. So basically what we're doing, we're going between the 4th and 2nd fret and then open of each string. So 2nd fret, so from the beginning, 2nd fret of the D string, then open on the D string twice, then 4th fret A string twice, then 2nd fret A string twice, then open twice on the A string, then twice on the 4th fret of the E string, and then twice on the 2nd fret of the E string, and then twice with the E string open. So, and that just goes over. Over and over until you come back in to the chorus again. The rest of the song is just a repeat of the chorus, pre-chorus and chorus in that order. So what we'll do, we'll go have a little playthrough from the verse 1, the pre-chorus and the chorus, and that little rundown bit. Just to have a little playthrough, see if you can play along. Okay, so here we go. So we've got the verse first. So we've got A, 2, 3, 4. A, G, D, A, G, D, A, G, D, E, G. Here we go to the A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, to the E, and then A, and then F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and then E, chorus, A, C sharp, F sharp minor, E, A, C sharp, F sharp minor, E, A, C sharp, F sharp minor, E, A, E. So there we have it, Roy Orbison, you got it. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always good to read your comments. And if you did like today's video, do me a massive favour please and click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. So with all that said and done, really great to have you along, and I'll catch you in the next video. Look after yourselves guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.